Coinbase eyes $330 billion corporate Bitcoin wave, warns of imminent systemic shock. Bitcoin, Coinbase, crypto journalist. Anas Hassan, crypto journalist. Anas Hassan, about author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 6 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Coinbase Institutional has issued a bullish forecast for the crypto market in the second half of 2025, predicting new all-time highs for Bitcoin while warning about emerging systemic risks from the explosive growth in corporate Bitcoin adoption. The exchange's latest monthly outlook reveals a shift in the corporate market. According to Bitcoin treasuries, 130 public companies now hold 820,542 BTC worth approximately $88 billion, up from just 89 companies in April. This corporate Bitcoin trend, created by new accounting rules effective in December 2024, has resulted in what Coinbase describes as an attack of the clones scenario, where numerous firms are emulating MicroStrategy's early Bitcoin treasury strategy through leveraged funding mechanisms. Corporate Bitcoin treasury accelerates despite risk warnings. The 2024 to 2025 regulatory shift opened the door for corporate adoption, with research firm Bernstein projecting that corporations could collectively allocate as much as $330 billion into Bitcoin by 2029. However, Coinbase Global Head of Research, David Duong, warns that the emergence of publicly traded crypto vehicles, PTCVs, focused solely on Bitcoin accumulation introduces substantial systemic risks to the broader crypto ecosystem. As he said, these risks manifest as forced selling pressure from convertible bond maturities and motivated discretionary selling that could trigger market-wide liquidations. Michael Saylor's strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, leads this charge, which has accumulated 580,955 BTC worth, approximately $61.4 billion, and continues its aggressive acquisition strategy with 9 consecutive weeks of purchases. The company's success has inspired a global phenomenon, with Japanese investment firm Metaplanet announcing an ambitious $5.4 billion capital raise to accumulate 210,000 BTC by 2027, representing roughly 1% of Bitcoin's maximum supply. This follows its rapid ascent to become the 10th largest corporate Bitcoin holder with 8,888 BTC. The momentum extends across multiple jurisdictions, with UK-listed firms joining the movement. The Smarter Web company recently acquired an additional 45.32 BTC, boosting its holdings by 55% to 168.08 BTC. At the same time, other British companies, such as Abraxas Capital and Bluebird Mining Ventures, have announced major Bitcoin strategies. Meanwhile, Nasdaq-listed Mercurity Fintech Holding revealed plans to raise $800 million for Bitcoin treasury reserves, potentially making it the 11th largest corporate holder. Regulatory clarity and market dynamics shape optimistic second-half outlook. Despite systemic risk concerns, Coinbase maintains its bullish stance for the second half of the cryptocurrency market. The firm's analysis indicates that recession fears have largely dissipated following early 2025 trade disruptions, with stronger than expected economic data suggesting either continued expansion or mild slowdown rather than severe contraction. This improved macro environment, combined with rising global liquidity metrics and diminishing tariff impacts, creates favorable conditions for continued Bitcoin appreciation while potentially benefiting store value assets over altcoins if long-term yields rise due to deficit concerns. The regulatory shifts represent the most transformative development. The U.S. has abandoned its previous regulation by enforcement approach and favors a comprehensive framework for development. Bipartisan momentum behind stablecoin legislation appears unstoppable. The Senate could approve the Genius Act as early as next week, followed by a House review of complementary bills establishing reserve requirements, compliance parameters, and consumer protections. Administration officials expressed confidence that unified legislation could reach President Trump's desk before the August recess, potentially paving the way for broader crypto market structure bills like the Clarity Act. The SEC's handling of approximately 80 pending crypto ETF applications adds another layer of market-moving potential. Decisions on multi-asset funds are expected as early as July 2nd, in-kind creation mechanisms by October, and single-name altcoin ETFs throughout the fall. While Coinbase acknowledges that correlation with equities remains elevated, structural tailwinds, including sovereign adoption by countries like Venezuela and Russia for international trade, add to Bitcoin's growing role as an uncorrelated store of value asset. This further supports the firm's prediction of new all-time highs in the second half of 2025. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Shiba Inu price prediction. Record-breaking 1.5 million wallets now hold SHIB, $1 SHIB coming. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO Garlinghouse says XRP could power $21 trillion in SWIFT transfers. $1,000 XRP possible. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BTC crashes to $103,000 as Binance enters Syria and BlackRock eyes crypto crown. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Bitcoin price dips below $104,000 after Israeli strikes on Iran spark global sell-off. 23 hours ago, by Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. $151 million XRP withdrawn from Binance in 24 hours. Are whales accumulating? 1 day ago, by Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025, by Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. March 3, 2025, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.